phase where I was discovering all this music that I hadn't heard. My parents were into like rave music. You know, I had a very young mum, she had me 19, and my dad was sort of similar. But they listened to sort of like I have memories when I'd be in the top bunk in my little bunk bed situation and just hear it like coming through the floor. You know what I mean? And then my grandma also said they like came up in the car with me when I was in one of them, what do you call them, like the little bassinet? It wasn't a bassinet, but you know what I'm saying, car seat. And they're sort of rolling up to my grandma's house and she said, Jade, the car was vibrating. I'm surprised you can hear anything to this day. So basically what I'm trying to say to you in a long-winded way is I found my music and it was actually probably the music you'd associate more with parents and grandparents. But I wrote this song as a kind of ode to it when I was 16 and I would love to play it if that's all right. Never on a bus to worry, never let a glass go empty. Could have been a water or whiskey, a pretty little man only 23. Fell in love so quick, she didn't even notice the switch. When it comes down to it, that woman made a mistake when she fell for it. Going down, 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 down. Madeline, leave him behind, he ain't no good, he'll bleed you dry. Madeline, I see you crying, that guy, he's a different kind of devil. Let it go, he's a different kind of devil, and I pray to let it go. Tongue behind teeth, never wanted anyone to see what had become the dream. It all fell back into the memories. Don't do the talking, she said, stay on the side of the bed. When you see the scars under her dress, the whole thing is gonna end up a whole lot of red. Going down, 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 down. Madeline, leave him behind, he ain't no good. Different kind of day.